Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a new brand YouTube channel on your PC. So follow the instruction. First, open youtube.com and make sure you are signing with your Google account. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Here you will see an option called Add or Manage Your Channel. Click on it. Now click on Create a Channel. Then type your brand name. This will be name of your new YouTube channel. After then click on Create Channel. Here you see this channel doesn't exist. Don't worry friends. Now click on again on your profile pic and click on Switch account. From here see your all channel list. Now select new channel. Finally, your brand new channel is ready. And click on Continue. Now edit your profile picture, banner and channel description to make it look professional. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.